Do you know what's this? This is called a metronome. We use metronomes to keep the steady beat. Each one of those clack, clack, clack is one beat. Beat, 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 beat. I can make the beat go faster if I push this thing down low, but it's still steady. Beat, 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 beat. I can make it go slow. Beat, beat, beat. But each one of those clacks that it makes, it's a beat. So, the music note that represents one beat looks like this. This is how you write music. That's one music note. This music note takes exactly one beat. Now, I like to call it walk, because when you say the word walk, you're using one beat. Clap your hands and say walk, walk. See, that's one beat. But you could also call it dog. Clap your hands and say dog, dog. Now say cat, cat. Fish, fish. Sky, sky. Moon, moon. All those words have one beat. Can you think of words that have one beat and sound like this? What word did you say? You can say pink, blue, boy, girl, hand. Think of words that have one beat, and this is how you would write them in music. That's one beat. Now the real name is quarter note. I call it walk because if you say quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, it just doesn't sound very right. But the real name is quarter note. Can you say that name? Quarter note. And I call it walk. In music, we also have this thing that looks like this. I call them shh. When you see these ones, you will not play. This will mean play. This will mean don't play. For one beat, be quiet. Be quiet for one beat. Don't play. His real name is rest, because when you see them, you don't play. You take a rest. This is a note. This is a rest. His real name is quarter note. His real name is quarter rest. So everybody say after me, quarter note, quarter rest. This one takes one beat that you play, one beat that you don't play. Now I'm going to check and see if you're understanding me. I'm going to write here a lot of quarter notes and quarter rests. I'll start here. I'm just making a lot of them, right? Now the important thing is to keep the beat when you read them. Okay, let's see if you can see it, yeah. So, I'm going to point and you read with me. Call this one walk, this one shoes. Let me put the beat, I'll play the steady beat, can you hear it? Let's read. Are ready? Let's go. Walk, 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 shh, 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 shh. Walk, walk, shh, shh. Oh, you cannot see my last shh. Wait, let's do it like this. Aha, now you can see. Now, if you just see music like this, it's very disorganized. So I organize it by making little boxes. If you see a 4, and then another 4 here, can you see that? Yeah, 4, 4. If you see 4, 4, that means you want to put 4 beats in each box. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put a line right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put a line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put a line here. I have 4 beats in each box, and that makes my eyes see it better, and it will count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it would feel. But sometimes instead of 4, they do this. See? 3 on top of a 4. This 3 will tell me that I need to put 3 beats in a box, not 4. So I have to erase these ones, and I have to do it every 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Now I put my line here. 1, 2, 3, I put my line here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That will make my music feel different because it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And sometimes instead of these 3, they do this. What do you think that will mean? 2 beats in each box. So I have to erase these ones, and now I have to put my lines every 2 beats. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This will sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this number at the beginning, I'll put it like this so you can really see it. This one tells me how many beats you will have in each box. This is 2, or you can have 3, or you can have 4. Now, when you see the quarter notes, you will play. When you see the quarter roast, you won't play. I'm going to do 4 beats in a box. I want to do 4 beats in a box. Do you see that one? 4 beats in a box. 4, 4, 4. Now, do you see how that's the end? This one is the end. To say the end in music, you have to make 2 lines, one skinny, one fat. If you see 2 lines, one skinny, one fat, that means that's the end. That's how we say the end. It's called a double bar. And sometimes they put a little dot here and a little dot here. If you see 2 dots, that will mean repeat. Pretend that this dot's name is re. Oops, I cannot make it very good. Re and Pete. Repeat. So you have to do it again. When you see 2 dots, this one doesn't work very good. I'm going to make it on gray. Here. 2 dots mean repeat. So you have to do it all over again. So since I have 4, 4, I have to erase these ones. And I'll have to do them every 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Close my box here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's the end. So this is how you play. When you see these ones, you play. When you see these ones, you don't play. So if you have sticks or if you have any kind of instrument, go get it and play on these ones, but don't play on these ones, okay? Or just clap your hands or just say the words with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready? Let's go. Walk, 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 walk. Shh, 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 shh. Walk, walk, shh, shh. Repeat. Walk, 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 walk. Rest, 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 rest. Walk, walk, rest, rest. And that's how you know when you should play and when you shouldn't play. I'll say hi, bye.